In SOLIDWORKS 2023, the end conditions for assembly cuts have been expanded to include the same end conditions we have at the part level. I'll use this sketch to create an assembly cut feature. Here are the expanded end conditions. I'll go up to a surface. I'll manually select the feature scope. And you'll notice some toolbox parts were selected. If we wanted to propagate that cut feature to the parts, it would cause a problem with the toolbox parts. Another enhancement in 2023 is when we choose to propagate, toolbox parts are automatically excluded from the selection. Thank you.